So the other day we got got some old rust out of the old CJ5. So got this all cut out. Got some sheet metal on order, so waiting for that to come in. I'm gonna get the Jeep moved over a little bit today, and then got the Dana 44 gasket. Got this off of Gasket off of Amazon, so I'm gonna throw this in and see how this thing does. Got some oil leaking right now out of the rear differential, so I'm gonna throw this thing in. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to get some oil from the store because it's Thanksgiving today. Doing a little Thanksgiving project, cleaning up the garage, putting some stuff away. So today we're gonna make up a little thing to help clean up the garage. I've been buying a bunch of bags for the for the rigid, but I'm gonna try and cut a hole in the top, then come in on the side on the off the side, so we can collect a bunch of junk in here instead of putting it all in the rigid. That way we don't get as much junk in there, go through a bunch of bags that I've been doing into the rigid. So we'll give that a shot. There we go. Get some good old metal tape out. Hopefully it'll catch the big bits in here and won't get sucked into the main one. Been going through bags like hotcakes. It's pretty much free. Already bought the tape from years ago, so this is see if it works. Well, it's sucking up stuff. How's my hand doing? You're blowing them? Yeah. Why is that?
Clean them up a little bit.
Oh.
You know what I mean? You probably have a extension cord.
Yeah, you can just unplug the light right there. Like my backwoods collector.
Oh yeah, honey, I love it.
So if you have a non-running vehicle, these are fantastic casters to have because you can lock them down and then just flip them up with your feet. And I am on a little bit of an angle in the garage, so it is kind of heavy, but we'll push it over this way a little bit. Moves pretty good. Then just have to lock them back down. Oh yeah.
Where?
Got everything in there, so. So I don't know what this costs if you were to. I guess whatever it costs for a bucket and extra hose and some tape. Now the only other thing on this metal tape, you do got to worry about the edges because it will cut it'll paper cut you real fast. Is the only bad thing. Well, that backwoods little 5-gallon bucket thing worked for the for doing the garbage. So that worked out good. Now we just gotta do some, put a new gasket in for the old Dana 44 and see if that works. Next on the to-do list. Haven't smelled that in a while. That's gotten that backside real nice. Now, got some bad gear in there. Can you see that one right there? That's messed up bad. The broken off teeth. Let's see. The next one over is broken too in there. Can you see that? Yeah. Looks like it has to be replaced. Well, good news is I'm gonna put a ARB locker in it anyways, so well. Yeah, I guess that's next on the list. Had to put this. I was gonna put disc brakes on it. Well, the disc already. I mean, the drum's already bad back there, so I already had to do the drums. So I was just gonna change over to disc. Now the teeth are bad, but I was already gonna do it to ARB air locker. So I guess that's next on the list. So that's it for this one. We'll see you on the next one.